Hello friends, welcome to another tutorial video. Here is a 12 volt DC adapter and we want to see which head is positive and which head is negative. First, we set the multimeter to DC voltage mode and measure the potential difference between the two wires. The potential difference is 12 volts, but we don't know which is negative and which is positive. And it is very important to know this. To find them, we first make sure that the black probe is connected to the COM base. Then we measure the voltage. If the voltage sign is positive, it means that the wire connected to the black wire is negative, and the other wire is positive. And if the voltage sign is negative, it means that the wire connected to the red probe is negative and the other is positive. This goal is easily achieved. If you like the video, please press the like and subscribe button. Goodbye.